watching Trishanu'stech. So let's start today's video. Today I'll be reviewing the SanDisk Ultra Flair USB 3.0 flash drive. It has a transfer speed of 150 Mbps per second and a total storage of 32 GBs. It says that it can transfer a whole movie in just 30 seconds. As you can see right here, it's written. And it also says that keep private files private with SanDisk secure access software. So they claim that it has a software through which you can place a password in this, and if you enter that password, only then you can unlock the USB pen drive to make it more secure. So let's dig into the video. Yes guys, as you can see, this is the SanDisk, and now let's unbox it. Yes guys, it was quite easy to unbox it, as you guys can see, and right here is this SanDisk Ultra Flair. So even I am opening it for the first time, and it's a quite simple design with an aluminium or metal chassis which can protect the components fairly easily, and it has a slot right here for even placing your keychain or whatever you wish. SanDisk logo is right here, and it says 32 GB total space, which we'll check right now. So yes guys, as you can see, my laptop's on right here. I'll put this directly. For the first time I took it out of the packaging, and I'll directly put it into my laptop, and let's see if it works or not. So yes guys, as you can see, I have placed the pen drive right into the laptop for the first time, and it has detected USB drive E, and it's showing 29.2 GBs, which is free in the pen drive. And I'll just give you a zoomed in close-up view. Yeah, so as you saw, that it's 29.2 GBs which is free, but it says that the total storage is 32 GBs. So that's quite reasonable, but I would say there is a total almost 3 GBs which is lost in the pen drive from where I quite don't know. But yeah, that might be a scam. So if you guys are looking exactly for 32 GBs, then you might go for 36 or 38 GBs, by which you will get exact 32 GBs, I guess, which SanDisk claims. So now I'll be showing you the transfer speed in this. So yes guys, as you can see, I have a file of 15 GBs right here, which is this SolidWorks test file. So I have installed that, and it's of 15 GB. So let's see how fast will it get transferred. I'll just go ahead and do this. And yeah, so this is the USB drive, as you can see, USB drive E, and I will go ahead and move this here. So as you guys can see that it's getting moved. I will do this for all and skip. Yeah. So as you guys just saw that this whole 15 GB file has been transferred to the USB flash drive in seconds, literally in seconds, as you guys saw. So yeah, by this we can conclude that the USB drive is very fast. So yes guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did like it, please do like, share and subscribe. So I'll give you a link to this down in the description below as well for purchasing this, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye.